Hi, Jerry.
Hello, Prof.
Great. Thank you for doing this today.
No problem at all.
Can you tell us where you're from initially and how you ended up choosing NUS Law for your studies?
Sure. I was from Hwa Chung Junior College. Back in Hwa Chung, of course, there wasn't any module called law, so I had no experience with law whatsoever. So after graduating from Hwa Chung, I was torn between choosing economics and law, because economics was something that I did well in school in Hwa Chung, and I even took history economics. So to me, it was choosing between something that I was already comfortable in and something that I had no idea what it's about. So in the end, the little bit of curiosity about law made me choose law to study law at NUS. So the curiosity comes from my desire to understand certain phenomena in our society. So for instance, why is a contract binding? Or why are we bound by our promises? Or why is there something called a company that we recognize? So all these things that we encounter in life, there's many legal explanations behind them that we just take for granted. So it was because of that curiosity to understand these issues that made me choose to study law.
I noticed you had taken part in sports and mooting, a number of activities. Which stick out as being the most memorable for you?
Sports, mooting, and academics, I think those are the things that I do for myself. But the most memorable experience that I've had in NUS Law is the criminal legal aid scheme, because it is something that I did for other people. So the criminal legal aid scheme is this scheme where it's a project to help the low-income families and people who cannot afford proper legal representation. So NUS is actually partnering with the criminal legal aid scheme and sending students to attend this internship every year. And I was lucky to be part of that internship. And at the criminal legal aid scheme, it was my most memorable experience because it was the first time I used the knowledge that I've learned in school to help other people. And it's the first time that I realized how powerful the knowledge of law is and how much of a difference it can make to others.
You've done some paid internships, and that would help you to get a training contract at a law firm. Tell us about your other internship experiences.
I've did a couple of internships with Drew and Napier, Allen and Gladhill, and Clifford Chance. I love doing internships during the holidays because it is like the firm paying you to study with them. So I secured a training contract with Clifford Chance, which is an international firm, and I'll be training with them for 2 years after I graduate.
Congratulations on that. What kind of a lawyer do you hope to be?
Currently, I'm slanting towards litigation, but I'm open to being a corporate lawyer as well. Especially this semester, I'm taking more towards the corporate law side, so merger and acquisition law, tax law, and etc.
Thank you for those insights, and good luck on your legal career, Jerry.
Thank you.